Yes guys, welcome back to Crypto Alert. Today we're going through an NFT project coming out later in March that I'm extremely excited by. For you to understand why that is the case, you will need to stick around until the end of this video. Before we go any further, let me remind you I am giving away one Solana. All you guys gotta do is like and comment down below with your favorite NFT and I'll be announcing the winner early this week. Also, let me remind you that this is not financial advice, nothing on this video. My channel is ever financial advice, let alone anywhere in social media. So please do your own research, and with that being said, let's get straight into this video. The NFT goes by the name of Meta Mansions. It's an exclusive community of 8,888 digital mansions inside the Keys metaverse. So yes, you have guessed it, it's 8,000 pieces of digital real estate in the Keys metaverse, exclusive to Keys token holders. Now the Keys metaverse and the Keys token is brought to you by the Keys team, who actually have been hosting a lot of AMAs and have been extremely open and transparent in the podcast style AMAs in the YouTube channel, which I'll be linking down below, just like everything else talked about in this video. And to be deadly honest with you guys, when investing into NFTs during the minting phase, you shouldn't just be looking at the website, the roadmap, and the art. The main thing you should be looking at is the guys behind the project. Are they being open? Are they being transparent? Are they even doxed? And are they actually talking to you about the vision, the drive they have for the project? Because if these guys have no drive with the project after it's sold out, you're mostly looking at a worthless piece of art. And in this case, I don't see that happening. They've been extremely open and transparent, and this just isn't a new project. The project started back in November, around the 15th of November to be exact, actually the 18th. And you can see here, this is the Keys token, which they've been working on continuously for a couple months now. The price of the token has actually been holding up pretty nicely during this bearish market, and right now it's looking at a strong 8 cents. The all-time high was also at 30 cents. But here we're not looking at the chart, we're not looking at the price of the token. What we are looking at is the fact the team has stuck by, has been driven, and has worked on this project for a couple months now. And if you go back on the AMAs that you can actually watch after this video, is the fact that you can actually hear it from the voice, and the vision is the fact they are driven with this project. And what, again, the main thing you're looking at is not just the roadmap and the art and all that good stuff, because yes, that's cool and all. You're gonna be looking at the guys behind the project, and are they driven and looking to work on this project in the long term? In this case, I would say they are, and if you watch the AMAs yourself, you would probably say the same, but I'll leave that to you. Right, so if you go onto the website, again, we get some glimpse of how the metaverse is going to be looking like, the Keys metaverse, in fact. And again, I've got to say, it looks absolutely amazing. You can tell they put so much work into it, and I'm excited about how it's going to be turning out. They also started a lot of PR marketing in MarketWatch, Yahoo Finance, and Bloomberg. I'm going to quickly show you the article over at MarketWatch, where it says Keys token breaks ground on a 100 million real estate centric metaverse project with Genius Ventures Inc. So yes, they also have been founded by a capital firm. Now the ecosystem will be built around the Keys token. As you can see here, you'll be able to buy, sell, rent, and monetize the real estate and luxury assets in the metaverse. The more keys you hold, the more benefits and access you will gain within the Keys ecosystem. And as you come down here, you'll be able to see the different uses the Keys token actually has and what the ecosystem is built on. Obviously, you'll have the metaverse and NFT access, transact digital real estate in crypto, stake, farm, and earn. You'll be able to stake your Keys token to actually earn exclusive benefits and access, so they will have some perks. And if you come down here, you can see if you're holding the Keys token, you will automatically qualify for a Meta Mansion airdrop, which in my opinion is extremely good. Now, if you come down here, you also got the roadmap. So stage 1, the Keys token, the utility token, where the ecosystem will be built around. Obviously, that has been released. Here's how the chart is looking like right now. Again, all the links for this will be down below for you to check out. Stage 2, they will have the Keycard V1. The Keycard V1 will act as a membership card for those who strive to live a true luxury lifestyle. Users will have access to exclusive whitelists on NFTs, tiered benefits, special events, giveaways, rewards, and much more. Stage 3, they will have obviously the Metaverse plus NFT. The Meta Mansions is an exclusive residential community of 8.8k NFT mansions built inside their own metaverse. Yes, they are developing their own metaverse powered by the Keys token. And yes, the link for that will also be down below. There'll also be videos on the screen and images showing how it looks like. And on stage 4, they will have the crypto virtual asset exchange. Keys have partnered up with some influential players in the real estate and luxury asset industries, including real estate designers, investors, architects, and developers, to provide crypto adopters with a secure and trusted platform to rent and purchase virtual real estate and other luxury assets in the metaverse using some mainstream cryptocurrencies. But this is how the tokenomics is looking like right now. Again, you can quickly just read through it on the screen right now. You can pause it too. As you come down here, you get to see the team behind the project actually being doxed. The Twitter, Instagram, and most importantly, the LinkedIn is all linked and embedded onto the website. If you come down here, you can also see they have been audited by Certic. They're also listed in CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Crypto.com. And for you to check all this out again, the links will be down below. Now, hopefully now you guys understand why I'm excited about this NFT and the fact that I am looking out for it later on next month. It will be launching in March 18th, so still about 2 to 3 weeks until it goes out. And you'll only be able to purchase it if you are holding onto the Keys token. But that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully I've enjoyed it. Other than that, it's been your boy Crypto Alert. Peace.